Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and now you can see here all of visible icons on our device. Now just to add, to remove, or just to change the position of some icons, you should click here on the edit icon, and here we can see that to down section with invisible icons. So now just to move add here some icons, for example the screen recording, hold it and drag it here to this up section. By the same way, you can, if you want, you can add all of them if you have just needed. So you can just add here 2-3 more icons, the calculator one for example, and after that just click here to go back. Now we can see here the changes that we just successfully add here more icons to our notification panel. By the same way, we can remove some icons from here. So just hold it and drag it, and now we can see the changes here on the top bar. So just to change the position, just nothing new, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to the section where you want to change it. For example, this second will be the flashlight, after that the next one will be the airplane mode, and just save the changes, go back here, and as can you see, that's really simple. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.